Hello, welcome to class students. Today, in our science class, we're going to continue talking about the soil formation. As you already know, yesterday we started learning about the different types of soil that we have in our homes, in our daily day, surrounding us. So, today is Wednesday, October 28, 2020, and this is your science class. Yesterday we were talking about the different type of soil. We have sandy soil, loam soil, and clay. Remember that the clay is the one that is thick and it's very hard when it's dry. This sandy soil is the one that we found at the beaches. Also, we have the land. The land soil is a mix. It's a mix of sandy soil, clay soil, and silt soil. Here we have different three types. Here we have clay, silt, and sand. And those three you copied yesterday. Today you're going to continue with loam and humus. Loam, the best soil for plants. Yes, the best soil for plants grow. It's a mixture of sand, silt, and clay. So we have here the different three type of soil in one. So that's why this type of soil is the best for plants to grow. The plants can grow. What is humus? Humus is the decayed plants and animals on the top layer of the soil. Remember that the soil is divided into different layers. So we're going to learn more about that here. Remember, we have topsoil, subsoil, bedrock, the nutrients, and the rock. So it's like we have our layers, our soil divided into three different parts. What parts are those ones? So we have superior layer, intermediate layer, and the inferior layer. What type of things do we have at the superior layer? We have that is composed by sand, clay, and humus. It is the layer used for planting the crops. Then in the intermediate layer here, it's made of sand, clay, and rocks. And that part, in the intermediate part, is where the roots of the plants are whole. The inferior layer is made of rocks of greater size. It's not made of small rocks, it's made of greater rocks with greater size. It is the preceding layer to aquifer for the building of wells. So it's like the base is the one that is holding all the rest of the layers. And now your homework time. What you're going to do today is you're going to investigate the name of the minerals extracted from rivers. You're going to do that investigation, and that was everything for today's science class. Bye.